Hello to all my dear students. Today we will study about the key terms of chapter number 3rd of your class 8th, and your chapter name is synthetic fiber and plastic. Here you have a first key term, the acrylic. What do you mean by acrylic? All are the example of synthetic fiber. So which type of cloth is known as acrylic? Which is made fiber, man-made fiber, which is known as artificial wool, and because it is assembled with wool. This type of cloth is be assembled with wool, so that's why it is known as artificial wool. And you have a second key term now, artificial silk. Who once said artificial silk? Artificial silk cloth, rayon, is also known as artificial silk, which is synthesized from the wood pulp. From which it is be synthesized? From the wood pulp, and it can be dyed into different color and is much cheaper than the silk. This is the artificial silk cloth, and it is known as rayon, and it is be made with the help of wood pulp and can be dyed into different color, and it is much cheaper than the silk. So it is the definition of artificial silk. Which cloth is known as artificial silk? Rayon synthetic cloth is known as artificial silk. Now the third one, nylon. What do you mean by nylon? Nylon is first fully synthetic fiber. Okay, and this synthetic fiber made with the help of coal, water and air. With the help of coal, water and air, this nylon cloth is made, and it is be very elastic, very lustrous, having a shine present in this cloth, and it is easy to wash. So this is the characteristics of nylon cloth. Now the fourth one, plastic. What do you mean by plastic? Plastic is also a synthetic material which can be molded, means it can be changed into desired shape when soft and then hardened to produce a durable article. What do you mean by durable? मीन्स टिकाऊ, जो लंबे टाइम तक चलते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? ड्यूरेबल. एंड द फिफ्थ वन की टर्म इज पॉलिस्टर. पॉलिस्टर इज द polymer of ester group, means this from which monomer it is made? With the help of ester monomer. When more number of ester join with each other, then it make polyester. So this is the polymer of ester group, used chiefly to make synthetic textile fibers. So textile fibers means all the type of textile industries which cloth is used mainly. The cloth name is known as polyester. Now the sixth key term is a polymer. What do you mean by polymer? The monomer means single unit. When more number of the repeating unit of the monomer join with each other, it make a large molecule, and this large molecule is known as polymer. Like if we want to weave any woolen cloth, for weaving this woolen cloth, what we need? Thread. When this thread is be joined with each other, it make a sweater. Like this, for making sweater, this thread is known as the monomer, and when it is be many threads connect with each other, it make a polymer, and by polymer joining, it make a sweater. So any cloth starting from the monomer, when many unit of the monomer join with each other, it make a polymer. Now you have a seventh key term, polythene. Polythene is the type of plastic. So this is also the example of plastic which is be made by the polythene. So name says ki thin. Ethene means it is the polythene means many. Ethene means ethene group. When many unit of the ethene group join with each other, it make a polythene. Which polythene we use to be keep your food fresh and anything dry. So with the help of polythene we make with the help of polythene we used to be store any material. Now the eighth one, rayon. Rayon is synthetic fiber. It is be made from the natural source such as wood pulp, or it is be, this definition is like a artificial silk. Second definition we have do here na. So this artificial silk or rayon, both definition is same because rayon is also known as artificial silk. Now the next one, synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber are man-made fiber which is made by the chemical decomposition of substance in laboratory. So all the synthetic fiber, what do you mean by synthetic fiber here? All that are the man-made fiber and which is be made by the chemical decomposition of the substance in labs. So when the chemical decomposition of the substance in lab occur, then which fiber is make? Synthetic fiber is make. Now the next key term, terylene. What do you mean by terylene? That type of cloth, synthetic cloth which is be made from the polyester and used to be make light wrinkle free cloth. This cloth name is known as terylene. Means terylene is the type of polyester. So polyester cloth, one type is terylene which is used to be as to be make a light wrinkle free cloth. Now the thermoplastic. Thermoplastic is the type of plastic which get deformed easily on heating. When we are heat, it is be changed, it is be deformed, means change into its shape easily when we heat this type of plastic. So this can be bent easily, and like polythene, PVC, foam, toys, all are made with the help of this plastic. So the remolding and that it is can be changed, giving very different shapes when we heat this plastic. But one type of the plastic, when we heat also, this is not be change their shape because it is be thermoset. Set means setting, means heat shape is set, means it not be deformed into any different shape. So this type of plastic, it is the type of plastic can be मोल्डेड वंस, ओनली मोल्डेड वन मीन्स अगर हमने एक बार जिस चीज़ को शेप दे दी वो ऐसा ही रहेगा. लाइक हमारे जो स्विचेस होते हैं यूज़ करते हैं, बटन स्विचेस दैट इज़ बी यूज एट होम, this is only giving one time shape. After it break, it is not be deformed into different changes, shapes change. Okay, so this is the example of bakelite plastic, melamine, or are the example of our thermosetting plastic. So here be the this all are the key terms of chapter number 3, synthetic fiber and plastic. Here first one we do the acrylic. Acrylic is the artificial wool. Second one, artificial silk, is rayon. Nylon is the strongest fiber, synthetic fiber made with the help of coal, water and air. Plastic is the synthetic material molded into different desirable shape. Polyester is the polymer of ester group. Polymer is the large molecule which is be made by repeating some units, or that unit is known as monomers. Polythene is the type of plastic. Rayon is the synthetic fiber which is being made by the natural source such as wood pulp, other form of cellulose. Synthetic fiber, man-made fiber. Terylene is the type of polythene which is used to make light wrinkle-free cloth. Thermosetting, thermoplastic, both plastic have a huge difference. One is be set in only one shape, it is not be able to remold. But second thermoplastic is easily deformed into a shape when we heat this type of plastic. The example of thermoset plastic is polythene, PVC, comb toys, etc. And the example of thermosetting, bakelite, melamine. I hope you all are understand about the key terms of chapter number 3. Thank you.